I'm in my own neighborhood right now, watching another awesome lightning show. Very silent. Not a drop of rain around. As a matter of fact, you can actually see the moon and Venus below it right now very clearly in the sky, just to the right of me. See if I zoom in on this, what happens. Maybe that's when my video messes up, is when I zoom in. No, this one's pretty good. I think it looks better when it's in its actual stage. Wow. Dang. I got kitty cats at my feet right now begging for food. Oh, wow. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Oh, excuse me, that was a double sneeze. Dang, excuse me. That's awesome. I get these sneeze attacks sometimes from my allergies. That's so cool. Okay, I have snot running out of my nose now. I gotta go blow my nose. Y'all have a good night.